This was my first paper that I've ever written, and I was pleasantly surprised. I know a lot of people like dread the peer review process, but I was pleasantly surprised. I believe that the reviewers were really excited about this type of protocol being out because it is really important to have that accessibility.
The peer review process would allow us to detect any possible flaws in our protocol. So we were curious about that as well. And publishing as a peer-reviewed protocol would also allow us to share the protocol for other groups that could use it as well.
And I felt like it was really helpful for me to go back and forth with the editors for the protocol to help me to format it appropriately for the platform and really think about like what exactly was needed. And, everything looks different when it's just on a template that you use within your lab, but putting it in a different way that's more standardized is more helpful for everybody, but also is really helpful for me moving forward when I'm submitting papers and thinking about the way that I want to share my methods.
In this case, actually, we were fortunate that the feedback from all of the three reviewers was very constructive and very positive. So, which is not always the case, as you know. So we didn't have to change much. But I have to say the suggestions of the reviewers really improved our manuscript.
The peer review process, in my opinion, should be first intended as a test for the target audience and also as the chance to improve the protocol in terms of clarity and details, and should then make it more reliable for other researchers.